Learn to say what you do in the morning, afternoon, evening, midday, and make plans in Czech. Ahoj, já jsem Kateřina, jsem učitelka češtiny pro cizince and this is another lesson from my 0 to A1 course in Czech. If you're here for the first time, welcome. You will find a link to the full free course down below. In this lesson, I want to cover the different parts of the day. We will start practical again, so take a pen, print out the exercise sheet from the link down below, and let's get started. First of all, we will revise the 2 dialogues from the last lesson. If you haven't done that one, do that one first. Listen to the following recording, and in your exercise sheet, do the cvičení 1. Look at all the questions in your exercise first. Then listen to the recording twice and circle the correct answer in your exercise number 1.
Dobrý den, tady Česká televize Informační servis. Jak vám můžeme pomoci?
Dobrý den, tady Andrea. Promiňte, kdy je koncert, prosím?
Koncert je ve čtvrtek v 8:30 večer.
A kdy je hokej, prosím?
Hokej je v sobotu v 10:50 dopoledne.
Kdy je, prosím, film Kolia?
Film Kolia je v pátek v 8 hodin večer. Ahoj, dnes je plný den.
Opravdu? A co je dnes?
Dnes je pondělí. V pondělí je dlouhá škola a je už 7:30 ráno. A potom je volejbal ve 4:40 odpoledne.
A kdy je lekce češtiny, prosím?
Lekce češtiny je v úterý v 9:15 ráno. A kdy je tvůj balet?
Balet je ve středu ve 2:30 odpoledne. A kdy je tvoje kytara?
Moje kytara je ve 3 hodiny odpoledne.
A kdy je volno?
Volno je v neděli, celý den.
Here are the answers. How did it go overall? There was one challenge. The words ráno, dopoledne, odpoledne, večer, they were new to you probably. But since you more or less know the text from the previous lesson already, I'm sure it went pretty well. From the previous lesson, you also know the way to express the hours and the minutes with the correct grammar. But we also often use the parts of the day as well. For example, v kolik hodin je yoga? Yoga je v 5 hodin odpoledne. Nebo yoga je v 8 hodin ráno. But how do we use this? 1 až 9 je ráno. 9 až 12 je dopoledne. 12 je poledne. 12 až 17 je odpoledne. 17 až 24 je večer a 24 je půlnoc. Mastering this in spoken language gives you big opportunities in your everyday Czech life. So let's practice this right now. You will see a time come up on the screen. Tell me out loud, what time is it? And use the format we just spoke about. I will answer in a couple of seconds, so make sure to pause the video to give yourself some time to think. Kolik je hodin? Jsou 2 hodiny ráno. Kolik je hodin? Jsou 3 hodiny odpoledne. Kolik je hodin? Je 5 hodin a 30 minut odpoledne. Kolik je hodin? Je 5 hodin a 20 minut ráno. Kolik je hodin? Je 1 hodina a 3 minuty ráno. Kolik je hodin? Je 8 hodin a 15 minut večer. Well done! So far we've practiced answering the question, what time is it, using the parts of the day. However, when someone asks you when is something happening, there is a little difference in how you would respond. A jedna minuta. For the question, what time is it? Kolik je hodin? Je jedna hodina, jedna minuta, for example. But if someone asks you when, kdy, you would say v jednu hodinu a jednu minutu. The English preposition at 1 p.m. is translating into Czech as v jednu hodinu. When? At 1 p.m. Kdy? V jednu hodinu. However, be careful. Only the number 1 changes the ending of jedna hodina a jedna minuta to jednu hodinu a v jednu minutu. The endings for higher numbers stick to the same formula as before that we learned in the previous lesson. 2, 3, 4 hodiny, minuty, 5, 6, 7 and higher hodin, minut. So, when is something happening? Or kdy? V jednu hodinu, v jednu minutu. This is to remember. This is new. The other amounts of hours, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, don't change the endings differently. So just remember, kdy je piknik? V neděli v jednu hodinu. Ve 2, ve 3, ve 4 hodiny. Again, we see the v changing into ve. V 5, 6, 7 hodin, minut. Let's practice this in speaking form now that you know the grammar. You will see a question come up with a time next to it. For example, kdy je balet? Nebo v kolik hodin je balet? I want you to answer the question using a complete sentence in the form balet je v 7 hodin večer. Pause the video to think. You will hear me answer the question in a couple of seconds. Kdy nebo v kolik hodin je hokej? Hokej je ve 4 hodiny a 15 minut odpoledne. Kdy? V kolik hodin je lekce? Lekce je v 9 hodin ráno. V kolik hodin je meeting? Meeting je v 1 hodinu odpoledne. Kdy je test? Test je v 10 hodin a 45 minut dopoledne. Kdy je divadlo? Divadlo je v 6 hodin a 10 minut večer. V kolik hodin je práce? Práce je v 8 hodin ráno. Kdy je trénink? Trénink je ve 3 hodiny a 30 minut odpoledne. And now a writing exercise. Cvičení 2 in your exercise sheet. Make up questions and answers about the imaginary program of 1 week. Post your text in the comments to this video. I will be happy to help you with the correction. For example, you can write something like Kdy je ten zajímavý koncert? Ten zajímavý koncert je ve středu v 7 hodin večer. Once you're finished, there's the rest of the homework section in your exercise sheet and of course the online vocabulary app where you can practice the new vocabulary. I hope you enjoy learning with me. Like and subscribe if you learned something new. Otherwise, keep learning, keep studying, and I'll see you again in the next video. Měj se hezky, díky a ahoj.